Welcome to our page, Secrets to Growing Rich. Have you ever pondered on the influence of the cosmic laws on your everyday existence? It's a query that may have fleetingly passed through the labyrinth of your thoughts, a gentle tickle of inquisitiveness that reverberates in the hidden recesses of your psyche. Allow me to guide you towards a concept as ancient as the universe themselves. This concept pertains to the universal laws, the unseen forces designing the structure of reality that everything, absolutely everything that transpires within the universe. They form the invisible links that craft the elaborate fabric of existence, right from the grand ballet of celestial bodies to the modest flutter of a butterfly's wings. These laws are unbiased and precise, as impartial as the constellations adorning the night sky. They do not discriminate between the rose and the weed, or the eagle and the sparrow. They just exist, controlling the rhythm of reality with an accuracy that makes even the most intricate clockwork appear clumsy. Visualize a massive cosmic orchestra, with every single note, every vibration contributing towards the majestic symphony of this is where the law of vibration steps in. It implies that everything, from the tiniest particle to the vastest galaxy, from your deepest contemplations to your most intense emotions, is perpetually in motion and vibration. But what if you the ability to orchestrate this symphony? What if you could be the maestro of this space-time ensemble? This is where the law of attraction takes the spotlight. It suggests that we possess the capacity to lure into our lives anything that resonates with our mental and emotional state. Therefore, you see, these two laws, the law of vibration and the law of attraction, are akin to two facets of a single entity. They are intertwined, inseparable, each affecting the other in a dance as eternal as the universe itself. Together, they play a vital role in molding our experiences. To begin, consider the law of vibration. It states that everything in the universe is in constant motion and vibration. Imagine a pebble tossed into a still pond. The moment it breaks the surface, ripples begin to spread outwards, creating movement where there was once stillness. This is the essence of the law of vibration. Everything around us, and even our very selves, are much like that pebble and the pond. We are all in a state of continuous motion and vibration. Yet it's not just physical objects that vibrate. Our thoughts and emotions do too. When we experience joy or sorrow, love or anger, we're not just feeling these emotions. We're vibrating at their frequency, sending out waves much like that pebble in the pond. This is why our moods can so easily affect those around us, why a smile can be infectious or a frown can cast a shadow. But how does this constant motion and vibration affect our lives? Well, consider your favorite song. When it plays, its vibrations reach your ears and resonate with you, causing you to experience emotions. It's the same with our thoughts and emotions. They vibrate at certain frequencies, and these vibrations interact with the world around us. If we're vibrating at a frequency of joy, we're more likely to attract joyful experiences. If we're vibrating at a frequency of fear, we're more likely to attract fearful experiences. This isn't mystical or esoteric, it's a natural law, much like gravity. Now you might be wondering, how can I control these vibrations? The answer lies within you. You have the power to choose your thoughts and emotions. By consciously choosing thoughts that vibrate at a higher frequency, you can change the course of your life. Understanding this law is the first step towards harnessing its power. Next, we have the law of attraction, which focuses on using thoughts and feelings to attract what we want into our lives. This law holds that we have the power to shape our experiences and draw opportunities towards us, simply by controlling our thoughts and emotions. Let's break it down. Imagine your mind as a powerful magnet. What it thinks, it attracts. If you focus on positivity, success, and abundance, you will draw these experiences into your life. Conversely, if you dwell on negativity, failure, and scarcity, these will become your reality. The law of attraction operates on a simple principle: like attracts like. It's about energy and frequency. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, sends out a specific frequency into the universe. And the universe, like a big echo chamber, responds by matching your frequency and sending back to you experiences that mirror your thoughts and emotions. But remember, the law of attraction is a secondary law. It depends on the vibrations caused by our thoughts and emotions. That's where the law of vibration comes in. It's the primary law. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, is in constant movement and vibration. The law of attraction works in harmony with the law of vibration. It's a dance of energy. Your thoughts and feelings set the rhythm, and the universe dances to your tune. The key is to consciously choose your thoughts and emotions, to set the rhythm that you want the universe to dance to. So, how do you want your life's dance to go? What tune will you play? What rhythm will you set? With the law of attraction, our thoughts and feelings become powerful tools for shaping our reality. It's not magic. It's not wishful thinking. It's about understanding and working with the fundamental laws of the universe. And when you do, you'll find that you have the power to shape your life in ways you never thought possible. So, how do these two laws interact? Well, think of the law of vibration as the heartbeat of the universe. It's a constant rhythmic pulse that drives everything in existence. Now, consider the law of attraction as the universe's magnetic pull, drawing together things of similar vibrations. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a serene lake. When you drop a stone into the water, it creates vibrations, ripples that spread out across the surface. This is much like how our thoughts and emotions create vibrations in the universe. These ripples, these vibrations, they don't just disappear. They reach out, touching and influencing everything they come into contact with. Now imagine the law of attraction as the responding echo to those ripples. It's the unseen force that draws towards you the experiences, people, and circumstances that resonate with your personal vibration. If you're sending out positive, high-frequency vibrations, the law of attraction responds by pulling positive, high-frequency experiences towards you. The same is true if you're emitting lower, negative frequencies. So, the relationship between the law of vibration and the law of attraction is much like a dance. The law of vibration leads, setting the rhythm and pace, while the law of attraction follows, responding in kind to the vibrations we put forth. The key takeaway here is that we have an active role in this dance. We're not just passive bystanders. We can consciously choose our thoughts and emotions, and in doing so, we can control the vibrations we send out into the universe. To manifest what we desire, we must first align our vibrations with those desires. We must be in harmony with what we wish to attract. It's all about matching frequencies. If you want more love, emit love. If you want abundance, embody an abundance mindset. By consciously choosing our thoughts and vibrations, we can manifest what we want in life. This is the power we hold in the interplay of vibration and attraction. So let's dance with the universe, shall we? What does all of this mean for you and your life? Let's take a step back and contemplate this. We've embarked on a journey through the cosmos, unraveling the fundamental laws that govern not only the universe, but our very existence. The law of vibration and the law of attraction, two concepts that might have seemed abstract at first, are now within our grasp. These laws are not just intriguing theories to ponder over a cup of coffee. They are practical tools for personal growth and success. Imagine being the architect of your life, consciously designing your experiences and manifesting your desires. That's the potential power we're talking about here. The law of vibration teaches us that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is in constant movement. This isn't just a physical phenomenon, but a mental and emotional one as well. How we think and feel, the energy we exude, sets the tone for what we attract into our lives. Then there's the law of attraction. It's not just about wishing for something and hoping it will come. It's a process of aligning our thoughts and feelings with the very thing we desire. By being in harmony with the vibration of what we want, we set the stage for attraction. But how do we apply these laws? It starts with awareness. Recognize that you are an integral part of this vast universe, not separate from it. Understand that your thoughts and emotions are powerful forces that can shape your reality. Practice mindfulness. Choose your thoughts consciously. Feel your emotions deeply. Align your vibrations with your desires. Remember, these universal laws are neutral and exact. They don't judge whether your desires are good or bad, right or wrong. They simply respond to the vibrations you put out. The key is to be in harmony with what you wish to attract. So, as we conclude our cosmic journey, remember this. Mastering these laws isn't about controlling the universe. It's about understanding and aligning with its natural rhythms to create the life you desire. Master the laws of the universe and you master your own destiny.